How to fix calculator not working in Windows 10. Here are some methods that would allow you to resolve calculator not working in Windows 10. Method 1. Reset Windows 10 calculator. Method 2. Reinstall the calculator. Using PowerShell. Run the following commands as admin: get apps package Windows calculator, remove apps package, get apps package search for each apps package, disable development mode, register $__install location \appxmanifest.xml. Method 3, run system. File checker, SFC. Run the following command as admin: sfc/scanO. Method 4, run deployment image servicing and management, DISM. Run the following command as admin: DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health. Plan B is DISM/image c:\offline/cleanup image/restore health/source c/test/mount /windows DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health/source c/test/mount /windows/limit access. Method 5, perform system restore. Method 6, add it. New user account. Method 7, use a third party application, calculator alternatives.